Hey guys, so themed event days are a really good way to get people into your business. So for example, you'll probably have seen things like the Saturday sale and stuff like that. I hate the Saturday sale. You know why? Your business is usually busy on a Saturday. Your business is busy probably even on a Sunday as well. I like keeping these ones off the menu. But look at Domino's. They've got 2 for Tuesday. Why not do 2 for Thursday? Thursday for restaurants is one of the weakest days of the week in terms of getting people in. So when it comes down to it, having a specific theme day like the 2 for Tuesdays could be really, really good for business. So think about your business, think about how many people you got coming in. Keep an eye on the amount of customers that you get in any given day. So when you've got a big dip in the amount of money that you're making in a specific day of the week, and you can look this up through your accounting, right? What you want to do is you want to pick the days where you're the weakest and do a themed event on those specific days. Come up with an idea which is going to bring people in on those specific days. Do a deal specific to those days with something that's popular. Because I'll tell you something, right? Let's say your restaurant doesn't get people in on a Wednesday. You can make that a business day, right? So that you can make that a business day, so that you open earlier and people can come in and get like business meals and they get a really good discount for it. That's a great way to do things. You can do it as well for dates as well. So you could have it doesn't have to be like 2 for Tuesday. It could be romantic Wednesdays. You not got football on a Wednesday. Have a nice romantic evening meals. Make sure that everything looks really nice and set it up for a date night. Because the thing is, if people are going to come in for a date on the week, they're going to go for a time when it is going to benefit them. So if you've got a really nice deal that you run every single Wednesday, people will come back for that deal. They will experience your product and you will at least get people coming through the door. And that's the most important thing in getting your business to run. Anyway, definitely think about it and try it. Anyway, catch you later. Bye.